How to make burger, ha? Yung cheese mo kulang ata.
Pagalian pa ito.
Wow, very nice. Ano?
Pakarikit pala doon.
Nasa taas?
Kaya lalit. Kulang
Dine?
cheese,
Dine?
oo.
Wow. Wow, you put caramelized on the top, ha? Doon mo ilagay sa gitna yung kanyang caramelized, ha? You put on the center.
Ito yung matagal na cheese, pag ano, balit-balit.
Okay lang naman talaga yun.
Oo.
Melted. Yeah. Ayaw ko niya maliit na yan. Ano sa ano yan.
Unan, Oreo.
You see? The burger. Eat now. Eh. Picture, picture. Wow. Very nice. Eat now.
Oh, fasting.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sabi ka din?
You fasting?
Ayaw.
Batin it. Ay, cover.
Ha?
You have aluminum.
Na.
You like big kita. You see?
Sila. Did you put up shit? Yeah, sorry about that.
Mapikat in half. Wow, you see the burger now. Huh?
You put sauce?
Break and burns.
This sauce? Put you up?
Oh, kulupi. Mapi Asian sauce mapi ha, only hata ha? Burger sauce. Maybe tomorrow make.
Oreo mo din. Ada sama-sama ka. Tingin na sus.
Wow. You see guys?
Okay.
Kainin mo na yan. He eat now guys ha, because some fall.
Hindi, parang kulang na gusto naman.
Sarado mo na kainin.
Hindi, kayo yung pagkatapos. Hindi na pala ito.
Lagi mo agad ang tubig para.
Yung exhaust ba? Andar sila.
Yan guys ha. Wow, the burger. Deep caramelized onion guys ha. And then homemade mayo I make guys ha. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Malia. This is my homemade mayo. Guys ha. And then homemade patty bun. Wow. Guys, homemade burger. You see? Now a homemade burger bun. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like my video. Chef Eric Manya. You see guys, huh? Thank you for watching.